we got a 2018 Lexus is300, and we're going to reset the scheduled maintenance and the oil maintenance on this car. So what you want to do first is you have a menu button right here that you're going to push, and it's going to move the cluster over. And once you do that, you're going to use the dials you have here. You're going to move over to where it says vehicle settings, meter settings, right here. And you're going to choose vehicle settings, so just hit enter. And here's your scheduled maintenance, and here's your oil maintenance right here. We're going to go into scheduled maintenance first, and just hit reset. Okay, and then we'll do the oil maintenance since we did change the oil today. Hit yes, and that should get rid of any of the notifications you have on the dash. And then to get rid of that, you just go ahead and just hit the menu button and close it all up, and you're all done. If the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment, or even possibly subscribe to the channel. That would be great. And I hope to see you again in another Lexus